Please support our content creation. Subscribe for just €2 per month via the Ireland Made website.
Hi, Simon Thomas, long-time motor racing enthusiast and collector of historic racing cars from Ireland. My background was my parents were both involved in motorsport. My father raced, commentated. My mother was an international timekeeper. Today I'm sitting in a 1950 Mark I Dillo that was built by Raymond Laird of Drumshanbo in County Leitrim. The car would have come into the Republic of Ireland at that time, completely knocked down, and Laird built the car to undertake trials and things that happened basically over the autumn and winter. He kept the car to around 1954 and was very successful in it, and passed it on to Erwin Catherwood, who was a young student from Belfast studying in Dublin. The car was built basically for competition in England, and they built around 400 or 500 of these cars, based around Ford 10, running gear, engines, gearboxes, axles, that sort of thing. Basically, these dominated rallying trials. Some of them were even raced in the early 1950s. It became the first car of a friend of my father's, Billy Reid. Went through various short-term owners. One from Enniskillen, who ended up becoming the road manager for the pop group Foreigner, which is a wonderful story, restored by Mark Kennedy in the late 90s, early 2000s. I bought the car and replaced the E93A engine with an 1100 engine, and the car is successful still now in trials and navigation rallies. Very tractable, bit chilly on a day like this, but it's just a good all-round motor car. Good steering, good handling. One of the good things about the car is the suspension. That this has all been renewed with new dampers in my ownership. We've had the steering box rebuilt, and the steering again is nice and positive. It rides well up hills. Second gear is the gear between first and third. It doesn't do anything other than jump out of second gear. Reverse is good, but it's comfortable. The windscreen is just the right height, and I like it. The engine has been rebuilt over the last year, and it's been very gently run in, mostly by myself. We will get the oil changed. We'll do the various things again with the engine, and the important thing is 50, no more than 50 in a motorway in it, because it really is. It labours at 50. I've looked at putting a different gearbox in the car, but that's involving work with the torque tube and various things. We just have to accept motorways 50. Originally, when I bought the car and when it would have run, it was on a Ford E93A engine, but it was absolutely gutless. And I got this 400E engine, and had it rebuilt by my friend Terry Murphy. And this engine has the advantage of a water pump, and we put an oil filter on it. And then we have the Aquaplane manifolds and the twin SUs, which give it a very good performance. Imagine this is your everyday car
Well,
in the 50s.
was he tall?
Erwin? No, but a bit shorter than me.
Each week, we love bringing you our videos on Irish transport past and present, but we need your support to do so. Please sponsor us via the Ireland Made website for just €2 per month. Keep watching Ireland Made.